In 2021, life as we knew it was set to change. A series of visionary keynotes revealed a virtual revolution that was supposed to change everything.
Starting today, our company is now Meta.
After Facebook changed their name to Meta in 2021, digital worlds like this experienced a land boom.
Big tech, big brands, big ambitions. People and companies are pouring hundreds of millions of dollars into the vision of the Metaverse.
But years later, evidence of this new digital era is hard to find.
98% of those projects are totally dead today. The other 2% of them have lost, 95% of their market cap.
If you ask most people, the answer would be simple. VR is dead.